An attorney litigating a case that's likely to go to trial needs to be concerned that any adverse publicity before the trial could impact the way jurors deliberate and how they find for that client. Bad publicity before a trial could taint or bias jurors and pollute their minds. In this episode, I'll tell you how engaging the court of public opinion can help prevent those problems. I'm Wayne Pollock, and you're watching Copo Talk. In this episode, how engaging the court of public opinion could help prevent jurors from being biased and tainted by adverse publicity before they even walk into court. Oftentimes, the news media is not favorable to defendants in cases. Oftentimes, news reports give the benefit of the doubt to plaintiffs. That's a problem because before a juror comes in to a courtroom, they've had the benefit of reading article after article after article about the alleged wrongdoing on the part of the defendant. Many times, defendants don't properly rebut that bad publicity in the court of public opinion. When they don't, these jurors have a preconceived notion of the defendant, even when a judge tells these jurors to disregard everything they've heard outside of court and that the particular case will be decided only on evidence properly admitted into the court. By engaging the court of public opinion and by helping to rebut adverse publicity on behalf of against a client, an attorney and client can help cleanse that taint and prevent jurors from having preconceived notions about defendants that are harmful to those defendants' chances. Defendants should always be thinking, who might be covering this lawsuit? If there's publicity about a lawsuit, then you know who's going to be covering it because they've probably covered it. You want to make sure that you are telling the defendant's side of the story, whether it's through online media, typical news media, or social media. By getting out a defendant's story, you can help jurors have a more equal view of the parties as opposed to an unfavorable view of the defendant and presumably a favorable view of the plaintiff. When engaging the court of public opinion from a defense perspective, you want to make your claims, you want to deny the allegations and the factual claims, you want to avoid using terms like we'll vigorously defend our case because it doesn't say anything. You want to give people a reason to believe why you didn't do anything wrong. And if you do that, you can use the court of public opinion to help undo and prevent any taint or bias in the minds of jurors due to previous publicity they've been exposed to before court. If you like this episode, please check out our YouTube channel and subscribe. Copo Strategies is our website. Copo Aesthetic is our blog. Please check out our social media feeds. And until next time, I'm Wayne Pollock. Thanks for watching.